Thirsty? Can I offer you a drink? Perhaps you should consider that question a bit more thoroughly. Why? Why? Because most beverages come with more baggage than a Kardashian family vacation. Beverages like sodas, juice, and energy drinks are chock full of sugar and artificial ingredients that can lead to unhealthy outcomes like diabetes and obesity. Diet drinks are full of unhealthy chemicals, which can lead to, who knows what. Sparkling water? Sure, it's bitter and tasteless, but one upside is you can get away with this. Picker it didn't happen.
So for the gram. Ooh, love that. Love it. So cute.
At least it's bubbly.
So good.
Bottled water? It's no better than your tap water. And each bottle that's thrown away or recycled has a large chance of ending up here. Plus, every can or bottle you consume contributes to the ever-growing global environmental crisis. I feel gross. So what should you be looking for in a beverage? Well, here's a good place to start. Is it healthy, hydrating, full of flavor, convenient, and environmentally sustainable? Does it have delicious fizzy bubbles? And that unhealthy stuff? Can you even pronounce the ingredients? Theaminine, aspartame, butylated, butylated, thiamine mononitrate. What language is this? You should be looking for Bobelo. Bobelo takes regular, boring water and conveniently transforms it into a delicious, sparkling beverage bursting with flavor. Just add ice water and 1 Bobelo drink mix to our specially designed bottle and voila! No plugs or CO2 cartridges. It's carbonation in your pocket. An instant, flavorful, bubbly, healthy beverage with almost zero environmental footprint. Let's take a sip.
Wow! That's really good. Really? There's no sugar in this?
This is amazing. That is good.
Wow, that's actually carbonated?
It's a different bubble.
Tastes good. I wasn't expecting that.
Each Bobelo drink mix is full of real flavor, made from natural fruits and botanicals. There are no artificial colors or sweeteners, plus it's paleo, keto, and diabetic friendly. Our patent-pending carbonation is the freshest you'll ever taste. Our drink mix creates real CO2 using just vitamins and electrolytes, which includes calcium, potassium, and vitamin C and D. There's no sugar, no preservatives, no artificial anything. There's nothing else like it.
OMG. Yes, queen. That is fire.
So good,
Ratchet. I love it.
Totes. Our minimal packaging, reusable bottle, and recyclable stick packs means less plastic waste in our oceans and neighborhoods. We're working to make our stick packs fully biodegradable or compostable, making recycling unnecessary. Did you know that over 90% of all waste has never been recycled? Although you are trying, the systems are broken. The bottle is engineered to keep your beverage carbonated, fresh, leak-free, and cold for 24 hours. All this while fitting comfortably into vehicle cup holders and fit for most hand sizes, like mine. It's lightweight, portable, and designed to go anywhere you go. Still nursing that diet soda, hauling hundreds of pounds of sugary drinks from the grocery store every year, and wondering why your waistline won't stay in line? Still regularly and unwillingly contributing to mountains of plastics and trash in our oceans? Still gagging down tasteless sparkling water?
It's so good.
I love it.
On fleek. I love it.
It's time to kick the can. Bobelo, more flavor, less waste. Anywhere you go.